Kinetic energy, energy possessed by a body due to its motion. Laminar flow, smooth sliding of layers of fluid past each other. Line spectrum, set of discrete wavelengths. Least distance of distinct vision, the minimum distance from the eye at which an object can be seen distinctly. Longitudinal wave, the wave in which the particles of the medium vibrate parallel to the propagation of the wave. Magnification, the ratio of the angle subtended by the image as seen through the optical device to that subtended by the object at the unaided eye. Modulus of elasticity, ratio of stress and the strain. Molar specific heat at constant pressure, amount of heat needed to change the temperature of 1 mole of a gas through 1 K, keeping pressure constant. Molar specific heat at constant volume, amount of heat needed to change the temperature of 1 mole of a gas through 1 K, keeping volume constant. Moment arm, perpendicular distance between the axis of rotation and line of action of the force. Moment of inertia, the rotational analog of mass in linear motion. Momentum, the product of mass and velocity of an object. MultiMode graded index fiber, an optical fiber in which the central core has high refractive index which gradually decreases towards its periphery.